Hi, my name is Chris Lennon, and this is my submission for the APL Dev Post Hackathon of January 2019. I've been working on a presentation output for screen-based Alexa devices. The content I'll be showing is Reddit, and I've been setting up account linking so that users can enable Reddit OAuth to get their front page rather than some generic content. Um, so without further ado, I'll just show some of this demos of the skills already. So first I'll be asking Reddit viewer to show me my front page. All these commands work by voice as well as by text. So now it will show me my front page where the user can then swipe through. It will show images, it will show videos where it can, and GIFs. There's a few bugs, they're detailed on my GitHub. Some of the other features that are enabled already, you can bookmark. I'll bookmark this post by using the button. There's a small bug there where page movement happens when you click. That's been submitted to the dev team with Alexa. So the bookmark has been added for that one. If I rerun asking for my front page again, you will see that the bookmark has been added. And we scroll through, we can see that the bookmark was added for that post. We can do the same for upvotes as well. So now that's upvoted. And now you can see the icon has changed to show that it's not upvoted. The same works in reverse as well, where clicking bookmarked again will remove the bookmark. And again, just to show that, you can see the bookmark icon's gone hollow, showing that it's not bookmarked anymore. What we can also do is we can use various Reddit sorting mechanisms. So we can ask to show my front page by top rather than by hot, which I think is the default. And then again, same content is available by excuse me by paging through, swiping through. You can also perform the same operations by voice, and that will then tabulate through to the next page. Same also works in reverse. And I'll try not to get distracted by the content. So there's some bugs and there's some issues that I found within APL. They've been submitted. Most of them are detailed on my GitHub. One that I'll show you right now is, since I can't determine where the user is within the intent, within the pages inside the pager, I can't vote by voice. Ideally, that would be one operation that a user could do from distance, but that's not there. I think this covers all the features, but just to remind people that I've developed this open source so everyone can see it. I've listed a bunch of limitations and bugs that I've found right now. In some cases, the issues that I've raised with the Alexa team, and some that I've raised with the devs internally on Slack. Additionally, I have some further development work that I could do within this, adding some other features. Some features already have existed, but for the sake of making sure that I had a solid submission, I decided to remove them at the last minute. Again, there's a few different issues and bugs regarding content. Reddit has a lot of different content outputs, and it's been quite interesting to try and map them. But beyond that, I think that concludes my video. So I would call that here. I hope that you find this interesting. I would love to develop it further, especially with a few more features added into APL would make it ideal. Yeah, I'm open for any feedback. Either you can reach out to me on back of the dev post submission, or as I said, it's available on my GitHub. You can always raise some issues, find and contact me there. I'll be happy to kind of develop this further. But other than that, thank you very much for your time and look forward to hearing back from you. Goodbye.